Hello students, welcome back to our biology lecture series. Today we are going to study one of the most important biomolecules in biology, that is DNA, its structure and functions. This topic is extremely important for NET class 12 board exams and other competitive examination. Let's begin. What is DNA? DNA stands for the deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the hereditary material present in almost all living organisms. DNA stores genetic information and transfers it from parents to offsprings. It also controls the synthesis of protein, which are essential for the growth and functioning of our body. Here you can see the structure of DNA. DNA is a double helical structure. There are two helix-like structure. This is double helix. It is just like a twisted ladder. दिख रहा है आपको? This is a सीढ़ी की तरह है. It is a ladder like. The two strands coil around each other to form this beautiful double helical shape. Each strand is made up of many repeating units called nucleotides. These nucleotides consist of three components. तीन components से बने हैं. First is the phosphate group, second is the sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar, and third is the nitrogenous bases. These three makes one nucleotide, and this DNA is made up of repeating units of nucleotides. These sugar and phosphate molecules are arranged alternatively to form the sugar phosphate backbones. This backbone provides stability and strength to the DNA molecule, while the nitrogenous bases project toward the center. There are four types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Next bond, phosphodiester bond. Adjacent nucleotides are connected through phosphodiester bonds. These bonds join the sugar of one nucleotide with the phosphate group of the next nucleotide, forming a continuous DNA strand. There is a base pairing rule, that is the complementary base pairing rule. Adenine always pairs with thymine. This pair is connected by two hydrogen bonds. Guanine always pair with cytosine. This pair by the three hydrogen bonds. So remember this: adenine pairs with thymine with double bond, and guanine bonds with cytosine with triple bonds. Purines are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine. That one important rule is that always purine binds with the pyrimidine only. Coming to the function of the DNA. DNA first stores and transmits the genetic information. It is the primary function of DNA. This information determines all the inherited characteristics of organisms, such as eye color, height, and many other traits. Second, it is responsible for the transmission of hereditary information. DNA transfers genetic information from parents to offsprings during reproduction. Next is the DNA replication. During cell division, DNA makes an exact copy of itself through a process called DNA replication. As a result, each daughter cell receives the same genetic information as the parent cells. Next is the protein synthesis. DNA directs the synthesis of proteins. The genetic information stored in DNA is first copied into RNA, that is messenger RNA, and this messenger RNA helps in the production of proteins. The process is known as central dogma of molecular biology. Another function is it is the controller of cellular activities. DNA control almost every activity of the cell, including growth, development, metabolism, repair and reproduction. Without DNA, cells cannot function properly. Let's have a quick revision. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a double helical structure. It is a repeating unit of nucleotides. Nucleotide contains a phosphate group, deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous base. DNA contains 4 bases: adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Adenine pairs with thymine using double hydrogen bond and guanine pairs with cytosine using triple hydrogen bonds. Nucleotides are joined by phosphodiester bonds. DNA stores genetic information, replicates before cell division, transfer hereditary characters, direct protein synthesis and control all cellular activities. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more biology lectures. See you in the next class. Thank you.